Remember this. In today's financial world, you don't have to be wealthy to have great credit, but you absolutely need great credit to become wealthy. If you wake up one morning to find your $20,000 credit limit wiped out to zero, do not panic. Panic is exactly what scammers are counting on. You haven't just lost money. You've been branded as a bad debtor by the financial system. But today, as someone well-versed in the law, I will show you the exact legal roadmap to reclaim your financial standing. The first step is to establish an emergency defensive perimeter by freezing your credit reports at the three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is your legal right, not an optional service, designed to immediately halt any further fraudulent loan attempts. Next, you must turn your frustration into a powerful legal file. Go straight to identitytheft.gov, run by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and file an official identity theft report. This is not just a piece of paper. It is a sworn legal document. When you combine this with a police report number, you have created a liability shield that legally compels banks to launch a formal investigation under federal standards. Once you have your legal file, we go on the offensive. Do not waste time on fruitless phone calls. Draft a formal dispute letter and send it via certified mail with a return receipt requested. In this letter, explicitly cite the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and demand that the institution remove the fraudulent charges within 30 days, as per Section 611. By sending a certified letter, you are creating a legal paper trail that forces the bank to act. If they cannot prove that you authorized those charges within that 30-day window, they are legally required to purge those records from your credit file. After your record is clean, it's time to rebuild your score through a strategic optimization approach. Keep your credit utilization below 10% to signal financial maturity to FICO, and never close your oldest credit cards, as the length of your credit history is a cornerstone of a strong score. This process requires patience and discipline. Be wary of online services promising instant credit repair, as these are often traps designed to exploit victims a second time. If you found this information valuable and want to protect yourself and your family from increasingly sophisticated financial scams, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will be regularly updating you with the latest legal strategies, financial regulations, and insider knowledge on how to master the system rather than falling victim to it. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I will personally address them. Do not let scammers steal your future. Stand up, take action, and reclaim your financial life today.